Salam Sejahtera and greetings to Prof. Jahara and Dr. Niza. This is Q Hoyen. In this presentation, we will see about the production planning and control of the company ROM Semiconductor. Our group consists of 5 members, starting with Tan Zixuan, Muhammad Ashraf, Sofian, Umar Abdul Aziz, and myself. First, we will introduce the functions and the structure of the company. ROM Semiconductor is a Japanese company. It is established back in 1958. Back then, the product was just small electronics components like the resistors, and in the year 1969, the company expanded into more components such as transistors, diodes, and integrated circuits. The company policies divided into 3 basic aspects. The management policies of the company aim to contribute to society while securing reasonable profit. The quality assurance policies designed to deliver quality products at minimum cost. Education and training policies designed to provide all employees a chance of self-development. The organization consists of a president as always, an independent audit unit, and other units on the right, which specialize in company functions. In this presentation, we will only focus on the job description of some important units, which are most related to production planning and control. We will start with the job description of the president, which the president manages the global ROM factories and contributes to improvement of the corporate values. The Research and Development Centers conducts continuous and proactive studies about the manufacturing processes and also the product technologies. The business units handle and manage business activities associated with respective product categories, such as the technological development of products, market strategy, and product strategy. The production headquarters oversee pre-processed and process-based assembly manufacturing. It also optimizes company operations. Supply Chain Management or SCM headquarters optimize vertical integration of supply chain from the suppliers to the customer. Corporate Quality Headquarters unifies the company quality. They also bring technology and optimize the company operations together with the production headquarters. Finally, the Corporate Strategy Division proactively seeks to optimize company operations according to feedbacks from various departments.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Amin and I would like to talk about the methodology. We approached this project by doing some online research about the company's history and portfolio. Besides that, since no actual visitation is carried out due to COVID-19, we still have a virtual visit to the business webpage. We learn through the methods about their history, product specifications, process management, organizational map, development and manufacturing location and some of their project information. ROM produces world-leading products and creates useful value for society through scientific research and development of new technologies. The semiconductor market has developed with digital information system at its core. However, the market is currently facing a big transitional period. Demand is growing rapidly in fields that did not exist previously, such as electronics for automobiles, including electric cars, and IoT for smarter industries. ROM aims to contribute on the society by inspiring research and development. ROM strives for production activity according to the company mission to keep quality as our top priority, to manufacture products efficiently, to supply sufficient volume at fair prices and contribute to society through quality manufacturing. ROM also aims to select the best location for their manufacturing facilities based on a global perspective. Throughout every process to ensure product quality, they establish a strict standard and procedures and perform production activities in accordance with the established standards and procedures. They will never be satisfied by the status quo. They will strive for continuously achieve increased competitive and efficient production and to reduce costs while maintaining their policy of quality is our top priority at all times. ROM always strive to consider their customer's point of view and produce product following changes in customers' needs. Therefore, they strive to achieve customer satisfaction in quality, performance, safety, and price. In order to meet supply obligations to their customers, they globally establish and maintain their business continuity management system. For product safety, they strive to secure the safety of their products in all aspects of their business activities. One of their top priorities is the security and safety of their customers who use their products. ROM strive to conduct their development, production, and sales activities with full attention to quality and safety as their top priority in accordance with the legal requirements as well as their internal rules and standards. They strive to secure high-functioning, high performance, and reliability while assuring no product liability issue can arise. In order to prevent misuse, improper use, and incidents, they provide their customers with information about the safety including usage environment and usage patterns using comprehensible displays and explanations. If they receive information concerning the safety of their products, they will immediately conduct an investigation to uncover the facts. In the event we discover problems in the safety of their products, they will faithfully and promptly investigate the root cause and will act to prevent the expansion and recurrence of the problem.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sofian bin Rustan, and here I would like to explain on the process flow and the type of machines that we are learned in the virtual visit. And also I would like to explain the problems and also the solutions. So starting from the forming, frame marking machine, die bond, to the hand welding, to the cure inspection or vacuum reflow. For the first machine, which is the forming machine, the function is to form anode and cathode terminals at the diode part. So in this machine, the main part is the kanagata. As you can see here is the example of anode frame and also the cathode frame. And what the common problems is the frame burr. So here the problem is it takes a lot of time to fix the kanagata and need to check the forming height on frame marking machine. So our suggestion is to standby a functioning extra kanagata. So for next machine is the marking, and the function is to mark ID and QR code on the frame. So the problem is the misposition in marking, and the technician need to adjust sensors on die bond and also cure machine. So the solution we suggest is to make sure technicians follow some real standards here that is shown in the slide to setting up the marking position. The next machine is the die bond. The die bond is to apply and paste on anode and cathode terminals. This machine also is used to place the chip on the cathode terminal, as you can see here in the picture. And the main problem is the outer wafer is not functioning in a correct way. So the magazine wafer always changes between machine and do not have same parameter. So every time they need to change the wafer, they need to reset the parameter. So it takes time. And the suggestion to overcome this problem is to the parameter data should be recorded and fix the wafer magazine regularly. And the next machine is the hand welding, which is function as to flip the anode side on the cathode side and welding on the flip point to secure the flip position. So here is the illustration on how the welding on the flip point to secure the flip position. And the problem here, as you can see, the frame tends to bend in the magazine, so they need to abolish so many frame if there is some bending on the machine. So the solution is to use a heavier magazine to avoid the gap between the magazine and the clamper. And the last machine is the cure inspection, which is used to heat the paste on the frame for hardening and remove void in the paste to reduce resistance. So here there are two types of machine, which is vacuum reflow and cure inspection. The problem in this machine is the frame is always stuck at the middle buffer, and the correct solution is they need to adjust frame rate near the middle buffer unit. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umar Abdul Aziz. As the conclusion, ROM Semiconductor Company is a Japanese electronic part manufacturer. The company manufactures semiconductor devices such as resistor, discrete semiconductor, LED display, laser diodes, optical sensor, remote control receiver, data converter, power management, transistor, wireless LAN module, and amplifier. Over the course of the year, ROM Company has over 22,000 employees and is noted among the top 20 semiconductor sales leaders spanning its business worldwide. Based on the finding of this report, ROM Semiconductor Company has an outstanding quality management system. This system ensures the product produced are always in good condition. This can be proved as ROM Semiconductor has been honored with a quality award by the Continental Automotive Group at the occasion of the group annual International Purchasing Manager meeting in Frankfurt. This special award is presented in alternate years to suppliers from the electronic and mechanical engineering sector in recognition of outstanding performance in quality improvement. This prize reflects the fundamental importance of quality management, which is part of the company mission since its foundation in 1958. Besides, ROM Semiconductor Company had provided a series of training for their workers so that they can familiarize with the machine and also will increase the rate of production. Safety of workers are also protected because ROM Company have applicable safety procedure and rules which needed to be obeyed by every workers, and the person in charge will inspect their works area and workstation at the beginning of every work shift. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tan Ji Juan, matrix number A164936, and I would like to give some recommendations to this company. First, nowadays, there are many uncertainties such as COVID-19 and economic crisis which might affect the business of the ROM company. Therefore, the company should start to take initiative to conquer those crises. First recommendation that I can give to this company is management of company should emphasize on supply chain management of company. This is because supply chain contributes the biggest cost of one company and thus requires specific focus. Every step in the supply chain processes represents a cost. If the process is being optimized, definitely costs of the processes are being reduced and satisfaction of customers will be improved. Besides, logistics and supply chain management is important because they unlock savings and efficiencies. Methodologies such as network redesign and transport strategy review inevitably result in improved distribution and reduced costs. Hence, supply chain management is vital and needed to be focused more on it. Besides, the ROM company should taking steps to ensure stable product supply to customers worldwide, even during a disaster or unforeseen event. For example, companies should continue to further enhance production capacity to meet market needs, establishing a multi-site production system, optimizing inventory management, and making production equipment and processes more disaster-proof. This will give more confidence to customers to continue buy the products. Last but not least, ROM company should do more advertising on social media to promote their products too. Nowadays, social media are very popular among the public. Therefore, social media is able to help the company to reach a large number of people within seconds by just posting an advertisement. Besides, advertisement also can help to reduce costs to promote and able to help to reach out to the potential customers throughout these social media advertisements. Furthermore, advertisements help to provide information for customers about the product. Providing information is closely related to creating awareness of the product. Potential customers must know about a product, such as product features and uses. Customers are more willing to buy the products with more information compared to other products. Hence, with advertisement definitely will help company to increase their sales. That's all from me. Thank you.